Hi children, good morning. Had your tiffin? Have you completed the work what I have said? Yes. So those who are completed, good. Still those who are completing, use your good handwriting and send me through WhatsApp. If any doubts are there also, you can clarify me through the WhatsApp. Okay? Welcome back to our session. So our topic is fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric. So fiber. Today we are going to see some plant fibers, children. Plant fibers. So what are those plant fibers? Can you guess? Yes, those are cotton and jute. Cotton and jute. Have you seen cotton? Nowadays in the hospitals, if any injured happen, we can see the cotton. Only the hospitals. In the home also, we are going to use to lighten the lamp. So pour some water and we are going to make like small threads. Is it? So that purpose also we can use the cotton. Then if any small injury to our hand, immediately we are going to wipe with the cotton. Then for what purpose? In the beds, pillows, if you open in that, we are going to get the cotton. So where does this cotton comes from? We know that the cotton comes from the plant. Have you seen the cotton plant, children? Then in that cotton plant, the plant will be grown and we can see the flowers first. After the flowers, a small cotton balls we can observe. It will be very strong. For a few days, that cotton balls will be opened. If it is opened, we can see a white color. So that white color is nothing but the cotton. So after that, the white balls from that flower, we are going to separate that cotton. Then after the separating, inside, have you observed the black color seeds will be present. That seeds also we want to separate it. So separating the seeds from the cotton, what we'll call? We'll call it as ginning. What is that? Ginning. What do you mean by ginning? Separating the seeds from the cotton is nothing but ginning. After using that cotton, after taking out the cotton, we are going to use for many other purpose. So like this, we are going to separate. That means it is obtaining from our plants. What is that? Cotton. So cotton clothes we are going to use in the pillows, in the bed covers. For many purpose, we are going to use this cotton. Okay. And next one, what is that? It is the plant fiber, that is nothing but the jute. Where does it comes from? It is also from the plants only. So from the plants, what is that jute? Where we are going to use gunny bags. Have you seen the gunny bags? Not the plastic one for luggage. What is that? Rice, wheat, this and all. The packages will come in the gunny bags. That is nothing but of the jute. This is also comes from the plants itself. So here we cannot observe in the northern places, especially Calcutta, that side we can see the jute plants more. So from the jute also we are going to separate the jute, and for the other purpose we can use this one. So these two are the plant fibers, that is nothing but cotton and the jute. Cotton and jute. Cotton is obtained by cotton plant and jute is obtained by jute. And here we are having few plants, children. Cotton fiber. So here we are having the cotton plant. So we can see the flowers in the cotton plant. See, for one cotton we are going to get so many fibers. It is obtained in our country, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So the cotton plant is small or middle sized woody body. It is a shrub or a bush. The white color flowers we can see here. After a few days, these white color flowers will be turned into pink color. After that, we are going to get the cotton balls. The balls will be the size of lemon. Then that cotton balls will be burst, and this cotton will be soft, fluffy, white cotton with the seeds. One flower will be having 5 lakhs of cotton fibers. So we can see here the cotton filled with the white cotton. In this cotton we will be having the seeds also, children, and we are going to take by the hands, and these seeds will be separated from fibers by combing. So here we can see the separation of cotton by using of comb. Early days we used to take from our hands, but nowadays we are going to use the machines, cotton ginning by the machine. Then we are going to take out the cotton fiber. It is used for the clothes. The clothes will be very soft and breathable textile. Textile means it will be very flexible material, and also we used for mattresses, quilts, pillows, and so many other things. Next, let me see for jute fiber. This jute fiber will be golden in color, so that's why we call it as golden fiber also. That jute, this is the jute plant. It is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. Especially this jute plant is grown in the rainy season, harvesting at flowering, and we are going to take the outer skin to prepare the jute. That is nothing but we call it as the ribbon, and that is the stem. That stems of the jute plants will be soaked in the water to get the softness. For few days we are going to soak it. After that the jute will be very loose. Then we can take out the loose jute fiber. Process of extraction of jute fiber from the stem, we call it as the retting. And many uses are there, children. So uses of jute fiber, we are going to make the sacks and curtains, chair coverings, area rugs, hessian cloths, coarse cloths. So still we are going to make. So these are the uses of. By taking of the cotton, we are going to make it into the fibers. The process of making yarn from the fibers is known as spinning. What is that? By using of the fibers, which we are going to make it as the yarn. Yarn is nothing but the thread. That process only we call it as the spinning. Okay. So today's class we have learned about some plant fibers, that is nothing but the cotton, jute. What do you mean by the ginning? What do you mean by the spinning? And by this, let me end up our session. Tomorrow with a new topic. Let me give. Okay. Thank you very much.